Lights. Fuck the fake friends, hating on the low. All I need is cash. Don't fuck with basic hoes. Talking I'm a don with the vision dope. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical, dog.
Bitch, I wanna take you home, but you acting too thirsty, I'm a real nigga. So I know good pussy dunk on Mizzy, call up what's her name? She's a pro, come fuck me on the low. Friends and benefits, vice versa, that's the motto, ho. All I need is good vibe for the fiends and I run the streets like I'm Pablo. I always got some good kush for the dome, I get high, but ride low on the high road like Stico. Steady focus, I'm on my grind mode. Be flexing out in slow mo, get a fair sometime that hate, bro. Hot head, I walk with a fist fold. All my niggas be thugs like where's the beef? We mobbing, smoke like I own the streets. All a nigga really need is currency. Got a boss team with big dreams, parties they don't interest me. I'm at home improving, flow hard like swimming upstream, dawg. We living, only got one life. Coffee street creepin', my niggas up all night. Lambs keep it poppin'. TOSMG, Bronx click, I'm reppin'.
They my family, so fuck the fake friends. Hating on the low, all I need is cash. Don't fuck with basic hoes. Talking I'm a don with the vision dope. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical.
My niggas be family, fuck the friends. Fake niggas blend in like chameleons. Tryna feed on the real nigga energy. I spit raw, why you mad at me? Tryna hold me down, you gravity. All you do is hang around like apostrophes. Good chill with y'all, but I'm way too ill. Don't follow fashion, I follow dreams. I've been doing this to redeem. Embrace my new personality. Can't touch my vibes, I'm filthy clean. Long live the king with good qualities. Long live the king that came from the streets. Young black visionary, I only associate the work of my vocabulary. Bitch, I wanna take you home. Fuck with a phantom, yeah, we roll deep. Stico, I'm a loose cannon, cruise through like I'm Pootie Tang. I make your girl a fan, ducking raw cash. That's language these bitches understand. Throw it up for the realest, down only here for the cash that I'm gone. I spit that bomb, give a fuck but the vibes you want. Show love if you dig my songs, bitch I'm raw. I ain't got time for relationships with these basic chicks. I wanna make it big and buy benefits and all she buy. Going everywhere, taking pics, goddamn. That's a lot but don't need, bitch you must be tripping. All I really need is cash and a bad bitch. Give me focus at times when it seems hopeless. Like damn, that's the love I need. Probably my main bitch, weed. Ride for a cost, no feelings, I'm keeping it real. For my niggas to put down the steel. Nigga, life in the streets is critical. I gotta be strapped everywhere that I go. No time for these foes, I'm too busy being successful. I'm blessed with a mind made to go. You were here about a minute ago, now you loving the flow. Phantom gang got you begging for more. Don't brag, but the level is pro. I'm up all night, no sleep, improving my flow. Now I spit like I'm on that road. For the game like I got cheat codes. Go hard for the life I chose. Giving back to those who helped put me on track. Let me know I was meant to be more. Now I'm better than ever before. Got a lot on my mind, I can feel my energy grow. Feel like a motherfucking Don Pablo Escobar with a port with a bag full of coke. Until they kill me, I'm swaggin'. Hashtag we winning. Like all my niggas be pimpin'. All my niggas be pimpin'. Done. Big blood and them drinking. Copy and paste a lot we be living. Like all my niggas be flexin'. Done.
Fuck the fake friends, hating on the low. All I need is cash. Don't fuck with basic hoes. Talking I'm a don with the vision dope. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical. Got my nines on me, now you know me, I'm fucking radical, dawg.